Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the S Pen, not on the S24 Ultra, but on the S25. I haven't received it yet, so here is my S24 Ultra, and I'm going to talk about some of the stuff that we're going to lose with the S Pen. Samsung has confirmed once again that the S25 S Pen will not support Bluetooth and will not be supporting any of the Bluetooth functionality that this S Pen does. So that means that anything in this menu right here, sorry, not that menu, in this menu right here, we are going to lose. So pretend I just toggle that off and all this stuff down here is going to be gone. You're not going to be used the anywhere actions, these gestures for back, home, recents, smart select, screen write, all that kind of stuff. All that is going to be gone, as well as the actions that work within all these other apps like the camera, the main one being the remote shutter, so you can take your S Pen out and use the button on your S Pen as a remote feature to take pictures and stuff like that if you're not able to reach your phone. That is going to be gone. The S Pen and the S25 Ultra does not have any kind of battery. This one doesn't really have a battery. It's actually just a capacitor that charges up really quickly when the S Pen is inserted into the phone, and it has enough power to provide a few hours of usage. As you can see here, it is charging it up right now on my phone. My S24 Ultra has been off because I have not been using it because I am trading this one in. So I've been using the OnePlus 13 just so I don't mess this one up or anything like that right before trade-in, because my luck, something would happen to it. But you're going to lose all those features. I made a video on this yesterday about the S Pen and the S25 Ultra and the rumors saying that Samsung was making one that was going to be sold separately. And we have an official statement once again from Samsung that that is not the case, that the blog post on the Samsung Insights website as well as the listing on the Amazon UK page were indeed mistakes. The blog post was written by a freelance writer. It was not from Samsung directly, and there was a mistake in that article where it listed that the Bluetooth S Pen functionality with all these features, where it said now sold separately, was a mistake, and they are correcting that, as well as correcting the article on the Amazon UK website. That S Pen never did appear on the US Amazon. The S Pen on there did have the correct details and everything. They are the same S Pen. It was just an error in the description on the UK listing. It is the same S Pen that is sold on the Samsung website for $49.99 US dollars. In case you break your S Pen or lose your S Pen or whatever the case may be and need to replace it, you can do so. It is not an S Pen that has any more features than the one that came with your phone. In fact, the S25 Ultra does not have the charging coil required to charge the S Pen, even if it did have Bluetooth functionality. So if something does come out in the future, like an S Pen Pro, which right now the S Pen Pro is not supported on the S25 Ultra, it does not have the Air Actions menu whatsoever. But if they do indeed support something, it is going to have to be charged externally, because the hardware to charge the pen in the silo is not there in the S25 Ultra. So it would either have to charge with the reverse wireless charging on the back, or it would have to have its own kind of charging cradle or cabled charging method. So official announcement from Samsung there. They did brief everybody on that was at Unpacked that that feature was now gone. But they have confirmed again to Android Authority, as well as some other news outlets and journalists and stuff like that, that indeed they were correct in that statement on the day of Unpacked, where that feature is now gone and the Bluetooth has been removed. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.